Hello everyone, welcome to RBI interview and fact series, and as a part of this video we are going to see when was RBI logo changed, and at the end of this video I'm going to provide you a homework question, the answer of which you will have to write in the comment box. So basically when we talk about RBI, we know that it was established in the year 1935. Now during its establishment, they were also deciding that what is going to be the logo of RBI. Now what was the conclusion? Basically the board chose a design that was inspired by East India Company's double moher coin that basically depicted a lion alongside a palm tree. Now why a lion? Because lion represents strength and stability, and it was simple and striking. But there were different issues that were concerned with this logo. Basically the Indian leaders had problem with this lion. Why is it so? Because as per Indians, this lion was associated with British colonial power and did not reflect independent Indian identity. Why is it so? Because this lion appears on the royal coat of arms of the United Kingdom and also on the crest of the British East India Company. You can see it over here. Now that basically led to the change in the decision, and what the board did, basically board replaced this lion with a tiger. And why tiger? Because tiger basically represents Royal Bengal tiger, which was native to India, free from colonial associations, and also a symbol of Indian strength, identity and pride. And basically this is today the logo of RBI. Now I hope it is clear to you. So a homework question. So you have to write in the comment box and tell me that who was the governor when this RBI logo was finalized, and you also have to tell me who was the deputy governor. Now regarding deputy governor, I can give you a hint. He was the same person who will later on get promoted to the post of the governor. Fine. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much and all the best, and do let me know in the comment box whether the video was helpful or not.